iconic Las Vegas resort, or a cursed tomb? Welcome everyone on this Vegas NOLA Man, Luxor Hotel and Casino. A complete tour plus an explanation of why it's rumored to be haunted. Ooh, kick it! When the Luxor Pyramid was built in 1993, it was the most dangerous construction project ever in Las Vegas. It was completed quickly and under budget, and as a result, lives were lost during the construction. And throughout its history, a series of mysterious and gruesome deaths have occurred inside the pyramid for the past 30 years. Not long after the Luxor opened, the pyramid began sinking into the ground, which is typically uncommon on the hard desert floor. Some people believe the pyramid shape itself attracts a dark negative energy. Outside, there is only one sphinx guarding the pyramid, and it is believed that two sphinxes are required to guard the pyramid. Another theory is that where Luxor sits now was once a popular burial ground for mobsters back in the day. And some believe Luxor is unlucky simply because it is modeled after a tomb. So if you're intrigued by paranormal phenomenon and such, and you're not easily creeped out by spooky stuff, you're going to love Luxor. Located in the lobby is the first of 3 Starbucks locations. And in Big Chill, serving ice-cold frozen cocktails featuring discounted souvenir refills. Here is Aurora Bar. This bar features unique lighting effects across the ceiling based off the Aurora Borealis. Located next to the bell desk in the lobby is 24/7, the essential store for Luxor. Here is Flight Bar, featuring modern cocktails and specialty beer. Next is Public House, American comfort food and ice-cold beer. HyperX Sports Arena is a 300,000 square foot multi-level arena designed to give gamers a place to meet and play their favorite games. The M-Life desk is located right next to the cashier's cage. Continue going forward to get to the shops at Mandalay Place. If you'd like to take a look at the shops, check out my Mandalay Bay video. I put a link in the description box below. Here's Tender Steakhouse featuring steak, seafood, and an award-winning wine room. Backstage Deli offers generous portions of house-made sandwiches, wraps, and salads made to order by Chef LA from Season 5 of Hell's Kitchen. Located on the west side of the main floor is the box office and entrance to the Run Theater, home of America's Got Talent, Las Vegas Live. Next up is the Luxor Bet MGM Sportsbook. Next up is the Pyramid Cafe for a delicious and distinctive breakfast or lunch. There is also a Blizz frozen yogurt and one of the 3 Starbucks locations on the property. Located on the north side of the floor is the walkway to Excalibur and a few shops. Located on the mezzanine level is Rice & Company, a stylish modern restaurant and lounge offering Chinese and Japanese specialties. Located on the mezzanine level of the Luxor Atrium is the Titanic exhibit, featuring over 250 artifacts recovered from the Titanic. You can catch a show by the Blue Man Group, a performance that combines drums, lights, comedy, and paint, resulting in a brilliant Technicolor experience. Bodies the exhibition showcases real human specimens and organs. Creepy! Here's Diablo's Cantina Luxor, Southwestern style food and drinks featuring fresh-made guacamoles and salsa. You can redeem a $20 coupon for Diablo's from the My Vegas Slots app. You'll find some of the hottest shows in Las Vegas at the Atrium Theater, including Fantasy, a dynamic topless review showcasing the Strip's sexiest dancers flaunting your wildest fantasies, and legendary Las Vegas comedian Carrot Top. Also located on the mezzanine level is the Luxor Food Court. The food court options are original chicken tenders, Nathan's Famous Hot Dogs, LA Subs, Bonanno's New York Pizzeria, and a Johnny Rockets, and a Starbucks. One of the things that makes staying at Luxor such a great value is you get a nice pool area. This 5-acre Egyptian oasis features 4 pools, an invigorating whirlpool, manicured palm trees, and 27 private cabanas. There is also a poolside retail shop, Oasis Terrace snack bar, and the pool bar. In the pyramid, instead of elevators, you ride an inclinator up the side of the pyramid to get to your floor. And they run a little bumpier and noisier than a regular elevator does. There are 30 floors at Luxor. This room was on the 28th floor. This room is the basic pyramid premier double queen room. The room was clean and had a modern, attractive look to it. On the downside, there was no clock radio with any USB charging stations. And there was no actual closet, just a small open space where you can hang some clothes. Also, the furniture was a little beat up and the cable TV format wasn't very good. However, it was a great room for the price point, and this room was on the 28th floor of the north side of the pyramid, so it had a strip view.
But have you ever thought, what if this is all just a dream?
And there is a free tram you can ride from Luxor to Mandalay Bay and Excalibur. If you'd like to see more on the tram, check out my video. I put a link in the description box below. And hey, if you like what I'm doing, you can buy me a coffee. I dropped a link in the description box below. Help me upgrade and grow, and buy me a Joe. Support my channel by subscribing. It's free! Tap the center icon on the screen now to subscribe. Hit that bell icon down below and you will receive notifications on future videos.